Hi lovelies! Today we're going to be talking about how to shift your mood, how to get you out of a bad mood, how to help you feel better throughout the day and help you not ruin the rest of your day being in a bad mood. And I'm going to give you 6 tips to help you with this. They're really easy to do and you can do them throughout the day to help you feel better. You can watch this video as much as you need to, and you can come back to this video whenever you're in a bad mood to really help you shift you out of that negative state of mind. So let's get right into it. So your first tip is to actually cleanse your energy. A lot of the time we can carry around all of this negative energy if we are having a bad day or we are in a rubbish mood, and this can affect us and we're just holding on to all this negative energy. So it's a good way to really help you feel better is to actually do things to help you release and cleanse your energy. And I have a whole video about cleansing your energy, so you can check that out after this video. I will leave a link below. What you can do in the meantime is what I find is amazing to help me out of a negative state of mind, a negative mood, is having a shower. And if you even have time, you can have a bath with Epsom salts and have some relaxation as well. But for me, especially when I just want something quick, I go in for a quick shower, or even just take a bit longer than I would usually and just really enjoy cleansing. It really helps with cleansing not only your body but your energy as well. It just helps take away all that negative energy. It just helps you feel lighter. I don't know about you, but when I come out of the shower, I feel so much lighter. I feel much better, and this can really just help lift you up as well. The second tip is to focus on meeting your needs. For example, if you're hungry, go eat something. If you're thirsty, have some water. If you need to yell into a pillow, yell into a pillow. If you need to journal, journal. Do whatever you need to do. Just be willing to sit with yourself for a minute and say to yourself, what do I need right now to help me feel better? And whatever comes up, just do it. Everyone is different, so whatever need you need to be met is going to be different, but it will really help you to identify what that is and then go ahead and do it, and you'll feel much better for it. The third thing that you can do, and that I love to do as well, is that I envision a happy memory. I think of a happy memory and I imagine it. I really engross myself into that memory to really feel how I felt when I was in that moment. And you can really help shift your energy just like that by just remembering something happy that happened to you. You can also do this with the things that you want in life right now. Just start envisioning the things that you want, how you want things to go, how you want life to be, and envision what will actually make you happy right now. And you never know what might just come up and will help you feel better. And you can even take it a step further and think of solutions for how you can actually make that happen. Tip 4. Tip 4 is all about movement. Have a dance. Just get up and dance to your favorite song. Dance to some music. Just have some fun with it and let loose a bit and have some enjoyment just by moving and dancing. And if you don't like that, you can go for a walk, or you can do any other exercise that you enjoy doing. You're moving your energy while you're moving your body, so it helps release all that suppressed energy that can be stuck. So this can really help you feel better and shift your mood. And also, of course, the endorphins while you're exercising as well will benefit you and help you feel better as well. Tip 5 is all about becoming aware of what you're thinking. And if you're constantly thinking about what actually got you into the bad mood you're in, then it's just going to make you feel worse, and it's going to keep you from actually getting into a better mood. So instead, if you're not ready to think about and work through whatever is creating the bad mood you're in, push it to one side and make a time and set a time and keep that timing for when you can actually work on whatever you're struggling with and whatever brought you into that state of mind in the first place. If it's a problem, then maybe at the time that you've set aside to work on that, you might think of solutions. If it's an issue with a situation or a person, maybe you need to write it out, let it go, and actually see what is triggering you about that situation and working through your triggers. But if you don't have time for that throughout the day, it's about really becoming aware, okay, am I constantly thinking about this? Am I constantly making myself actually feel worse? If so, then set some time aside and forget about it for the rest of the time, except for the time that you've set aside to work on it. And this will help you feel better because then you're not suppressing your emotions, you're not rejecting your emotions, and you can actually go throughout the day in a better mood, and you're gonna feel even better after you've actually worked on whatever you are dealing with, because your anger or your frustration or your stress is coming up for a reason, for you to acknowledge it, for you to become aware of it, and it's not going to completely go away until you do. Tip 6. Tip 6 is all about actually helping someone feel better themselves or helping someone smile. You will be surprised about how easy you can shift your energy from feeling better just by helping someone smile or just saying a kind word to someone, helping them feel better about themselves, and you will then also feel better, or doing something for someone that you know that will make them happy, that will also help you feel better within yourself. So those are the main tips for today. If you want more tips, then comment below and I will get on giving you some more tips to help you shift your mood. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with someone who you think that might get use out of it. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you next week. I'm sending you all lots of unconditional love and healing energy. Love you lots and have a great day. Mwah.